Here we have a model of the System 51 Irony. This one is the model YIM 400G. The ironies are play on words. They're making fun of the fact that it's iron, stainless steel, and irony that a company that is known for making plastic watches has a steel watch line. This is a 42 millimeter steel watch. It has 19 jewels, and it uses the innovative System 51 movement that only has 51 moving parts, and all the parts are either ultrasonically welded or glued. There's only one screw in the entire movement, and that's to hold the rim weight balance for the oscillating weight for the winding. All in all, it is a very classic piece in looks. I think it also is a good representation of Swatch as watchmaker.